Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. In today's lecture, we will discuss your miscellaneous exercise of chapter 3, Matrix. Let us see the exercise. Problem number 1 in exercise. What is problem number 1? In this exercise, you are given a matrix A 0 1 0 0 and you have to prove the result AI plus BA raised to the power n is equal to A raised to the power ni plus B raised to the power n A raised to the power n minus 1B into C. These results are proved by the principle of mathematical induction. Let us consider this statement as Pn. Now let us check its validity for n is equal to 1. P1 is what? AI plus BA raised to the power 1. It is simply equal to AI plus BA. Right? Now let us find the right hand side. A की power 1 into I plus 1 into A raised to the power 1 minus 1 BA. It is equal to AI plus BA. Means LHS is equal to RHS of the given statement for n is equal to 1. This implies that the statement is true for n बराबर 1. Now let us suppose that the given result is true for n is equal to k. It means that you have supposed AI plus BA raised to the power k is equal to A raised to the power ki plus KA raised to the power k minus 1B. Let us give the name equation number 1. Now we will check the validity of the statement for n is equal to k plus 1. Pk plus 1. AI plus BA raised to the power k plus 1. It can be written as AI plus BA raised to the power k into AI plus BA raised to the power 1. We have the power k plus 1. Simply break the power k अलग 1 अलग. Okay. Now the value of AI plus BA की power k is this. A की power k I plus KA k minus 1 BA. This is the value AI plus BA. Let us see. A की power k plus 1 I square. This is multiplied by this plus A की power k b I A plus this multiplied by this k A raised to the power k b A I, and then this is multiplied by this k A raised to the power k minus 1 b square and A square. Let us find A square. A square is what? A square is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. First row first column is 0. First row second column 0 into 1 again 0. Second row first column both are zeros. Second row second column is 0. Means A square is none other than it's a null matrix. So let us put this value. A की power k plus 1 I plus, now see, A की power k b A की power k b A, it is common. I is equal to A. This is no problem with I. 1 plus k is left, and this term is 0. Why? Because a square is 0, right? Okay, I can rearrange this. A raised to the power k plus 1 I plus, I can rewrite it as k plus 1, a की पावर बेटा जो k है उसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो k plus 1 minus 1 b a c. The difference between this and this, there is only one difference here. There is k plus 1 in place of n, means the given result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. This shows that by mathematical induction, by principle of mathematical induction, the given result is true. The given result is true for all n belonging to n. In this way, how we will prove the result by using mathematical induction. Now let us see the next problem, problem number 2. In problem number 2, you are given a 3 by 3 matrix and you have to prove the value of a raised to the power n. So a raised to the, this is what? This is a raised to the power 1. It can be written as 1 को बेटा आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो 3 raised to the power 1 minus 1 by, because 3 raised to the power 0 and its value is 1. Again, next one is can also be written as 3 raised to the power 1 minus 1, 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 3 raised to the power 1 minus 1. Right? Now let us suppose that a raised to the power k is equal to 3 raised to the power k minus 1, 3 raised to the power k minus 1. All entries are 3 raised to the power k minus 1. Now with the help of this, we will try to find the value of a raised to the power k plus 1. A raised to the power k plus 1 is what? This is simply a की power k into a, and a की power k is what? 3 raised to the power k minus 1, 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 all entries. And the value of a is 111, 111, 111. Okay. Now let us multiply. When you multiply these two matrices, you will get 1 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1, 1 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1, simply first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to, देखिए बेटा ये सेम टर्म आपके पास 3 टाइम्स है, तो मतलब दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1, 3 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1. All entries will be 3 into 3 raised to the power k minus 1. Now in each entry there are two powers of k, 3, k minus 1 and 1. So and multiplying. So in the product powers will be added. It is equal to 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1. Sorry. K minus 1 plus 1 means 3 raised to the power k, 3 raised to the power k, 3 raised to the power k. Right? This is the matrix. Now it can also be written as 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1, 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1, because 1 is cancelled out by 1, 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1, 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1, 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1, 3 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 1. See, can I write it as? There is no problem. Means your given result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence, by mathematical induction, you can say that the result is true for all the natural numbers. Right? Now, see the next problem. Problem number 3. Problem number 3 is same as the problem number 2. We have to find the value of a raised to the power n. First of all, we will try to find the value of a raised to the power 1. A raised to the power 1 is simply is equal to a 3, 4, 1 minus 1. It can be rewritten as 1 plus 2 into 1 because it is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 1 and 1 minus 2 into 1 means this result is true for n is equal to 1. See the difference between this and this. The value of n is 1. Simple. Okay. Now let us suppose that the result is true for n is equal to k. Means a raised to the power k is equal to 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k. Now we will prove that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. To find the value of a raised to the power k plus 1, we have to multiply a की power k by a. 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Right? Just multiply these. 3 plus 6k minus 4k minus 4 minus 8k plus 4k 3k only 3k plus 1 minus 2k minus 4k minus 1 plus 2. Right? So it is equal to 2k plus 3 minus 4k minus 4 k plus 1 and minus 2k minus 1. It can be rewritten as 2 k plus 1 plus 1 minus 4 k plus 1 and this is k plus 1 and this is 1 minus 2 k plus 1. See, minus 2k as such and 1 minus 2 it is minus 1. So it can be rewritten as like this. Why I have written this in this form? Because today we will discuss the miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3. In previous lecture we have to prove that a raised to the power n is of this form. This lecture means the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence, by mathematical induction, we can say that principle of mathematical induction a raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n. This statement is true for all n belonging to n. In this way, your question number 3 is solved now. Now we will try to solve the next problem, problem number 4. In problem number 4, you are given that A and B are two symmetric matrices. Means A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. Now we have to prove that AB minus BA is Q symmetric. So let us see. Let us find the transpose of AB minus BA. It is equal to AB dash minus BA dash. Using the reversal law, it is equal to B dash A dash minus A dash B dash. The value of B dash is B, the value of A dash is A, A B. Take minus common out, it it is AB minus BA. Means the transpose of AB minus BA is equal to the negative of AB minus BA. This implies that AB minus BA is skew symmetric. This is the thing which you have to prove. Now see the next problem, problem number 5. In problem number 5, we have to prove that B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Means you have two cases. Suppose A is symmetric. This is the first case. If A is symmetric, then A dash is equal to A. Now let us try to find B dash AB, its transpose. Take this as 1 and this is other, and apply the reversal law. AB dash, B dash, dash. You can take these two matrices at a time, no problem. It is equal to what? B dash, A dash, and B dash, B double dash. It is equal to B, and A dash is equal to what? A. So B dash AB means the transpose of B dash AB is equal to the B dash AB. This implies that B dash AB is symmetric. Means if A is a symmetric matrix, then B dash AB is also a symmetric matrix. Now we will check the case when A is a skew symmetric matrix. So see case 2. A is skew symmetric. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A dash is equal to what? A dash is equal to minus A. Now find the transpose of B dash AB. B dash AB का ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा बेटा? AB dash B dash dash it is equal to B dash A dash, and B का डबल ट्रांसपोज लिया है तो B हो जाएगा B dash, and A dash is equal to what? Minus A. It is B. Minus can be taken out. Minus B dash AB means the transpose of B dash AB is equal to the negative of B dash AB. This implies that B dash AB is skew symmetric. Means the symmetry of B dash AB depends on the symmetry of A. When A is symmetric, then B dash AB is symmetric. When A is skew symmetric, then B dash AB is also skew symmetric. Okay. Now the rest problem will be discussed in the next lecture. If you have any query, any doubt from question number 1 to question number 5, you can tell me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.